be making the trip to the Falls of the Ohio State Park. I don't think I've been there in a very long time. Definitely didn't ride there on a bicycle, an electric bicycle. So we'll see what that looks like. There's the river over there, the Ohio River. This is something that I'm not sure how many people can relate to, but I do fantasy football, and my team is in the playoffs today. Has a majority of players going today, and it seems like every time I've gone for a bike ride on a game day, and I don't pay attention to the score, my team blows up. So I'm hoping that holds true for today as well. Because I'd like to win the fantasy football championship 2 years in a row and get some money out of it. But you can't control it, so. But on the side, aside from that, it started off as rainy and muggy and cold, but it got sunny and dried up a little bit, so it's a perfect day for a bike ride. This is the Ohio River Greenway, which I have not been down before. So let's see what this looks like. Cyclists having to do all their pedaling. Well, if you want to get exercise, that's far better exercise than an e-bike, unless you actually try to use the eco modes or pedal it without the motor. But what's the fun in that? All right, so I'm almost here. There's a truck that wants to pass me. And let them, or not. So we'll see what's up here. It's a nice park. Get a better view. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Let's see if I can go a little closer down here. Yeah, so there's, you can go down there and walk out to the shoreline, but I'm not going to take this bike up there and do that. Yeah, that's Pretty cool view. It's supposed to be a scenic byway, so I can see where the rest of this goes. I don't know if this goes to the byway. Ooh. That's probably too steep to walk it up even. All right, I'll cut back through here. Oh, it's on mid, that's why. All right, yeah, so that's the Falls of the Ohio River. This is a scenic byway. We can see where this goes. Looks promising. How far I'm going to take this. This is a pretty nice trail, and there's over to the left, there's the riverfront through the trees, if you can possibly see any of that. I assume this also serves partially as a flood wall. I haven't really fully taken this all the way down to the river front. It'll be a lot of work. Getting a little bit of a workout in. Yeah, so I'm just turning around. I'm gonna go back home the other way, but yeah, so I guess that'll wrap up this video where I went to the Ohio River Greenway and the Falls of the Ohio State Park. All right, until next time, that's it.